Gujarat has a long historical and cultural tradition dating back to the days of the Indus Valley civilization. Discovered sites of Lothal and Dholavira are one of the earliest planned townships which had trade connections with other Harappan cities across the Arabian Sea. Surat was an important trading point during the Mughal rule. It was also here that the British set up their first headquarters for the East India Company. Kandala is one of the leading ports handling shipping trade for northern India. Gujarat continues its legacy as one of the leading and most investor-friendly states of the nation. This is characterized by the availability of skilled labor and supportive state and local government policies for promoting trade, commerce and industries. With just 5% of India's population and 6% of its geographical area, the state of Gujarat accounts for 13% of India's industrial output and 22% of the exports market. Internationally acclaimed institutes in the fields of management, design, entrepreneurial skills, pure science and textile research, art and architecture, and many other institutions of excellence are located in Gujarat. The state has evolved into an economy dominated by the manufacturing and the service sector and has geared up to meet the demands of the new sectors of economy. This booming economy has created a latent demand for improved services, affordable housing, office space, and improved quality of life for its citizens. To meet these challenges and to maintain a competitive edge in the globalized world, the state and city governments have been making concerted efforts in policy reforms, infrastructure development, and citizen-led initiatives. The entrepreneurial vigor of the state is also reflected in the variety of partnerships that Gujarat is fostering. To encourage public-private partnerships, Gujarat has institutionalized the process by making the Build, Operate, Transfer law. Using this mechanism, it has implemented one of the country's first infrastructure projects of the Ahmedabad-Mehsana Highway. Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation was the first city in South Asia to access the capital market, and it has floated 4 municipal bonds worth Rs 3,580 million since 1998. Gujarat is also the first state to successfully engage citizen participation in land development through the town planning scheme process. This was successfully demonstrated in the reconstruction of the 2001 earthquake-affected towns. A cross-sectoral study on performance measurement across selected 14 cities reveals consistent improvement since 2001 in the areas of service delivery and financial health. Improved service delivery. The municipal service delivery of water supply, solid waste collection and sewerage has been improving since 2001 in all these 14 urban local bodies. It is a significant effort by cities of a water-stressed state to provide adequate and consistent water supply. The average water supply per capita per day has increased from 130 litres in 2001 to 139 litres in the year 2006. Provision of piped water has increased from an average of 58% in 2001 to 74% in 2006. Ahmedabad, Surat and the Rajkot provide piped water to more than 90% of their population. The selected municipalities show an increase from an average of 90 LPCD in 2001 to 110 LPCD in 2006. Navsari, Gandhidham and Patan provide 140 litres per capita per day in 2006. All cities in 2006 have shown a remarkable improvement in the percentage of population with access to sewerage. On an average, 64% of the population of municipal corporations had access to sewerage in 2001 compared to 74% in the year 2006. The average population in selected municipalities with access to sewerage has increased from 22% in 2001 to 37% in 2006. The state and local governments have resolved to allocate 20% of their budgets for pro-poor initiatives. the Ahmedabad Urban Development Authority reserves 10% of the land under town planning scheme for housing the urban poor. It also constructs housing for the economically weaker sections, which is affordable, earthquake resistant, and of a superior quality. Similar initiatives have been adapted by the Rajkot Municipal Corporation. The Sabarmati Riverfront Development Project, when completed, would be a landmark project in India for waterfront-related urban renewal. This demonstrates the true spirit of partnership between political, administrative, and citizenry of the state. With the increased use of CNG-run public transport buses and auto rickshaws, the level of pollution has decreased significantly in all the cities. The bus rapid transit system aims to provide affordable, low-pollution transportation solutions which will address the increasing traffic congestion. In areas of solid waste management, Gujarat has taken the directives of the Ministry of Environment and Forest in earnest. There has been increasing efficiency in solid waste door-to-door collection and transportation. The average solid waste collection efficiency of the municipal corporations has increased from 89% in 2001 to 93% in 2006. On an average, 52% of the population of municipal corporations is covered under door-to-door collection. The selected municipalities also on an average have a solid waste collection efficiency of 96% in 2006. The improvement in the area of door-to-door collection services is remarkable, from a mere 3% in 2001 to almost 48% in 2006. The Gujarat Urban Development Company's Solid Waste Management Project has already initiated the construction of 96 compost plants and regional sanitary landfill sites across the state. It is envisaged that by the end of the Nirmal Gujarat 2007 year, all the solid waste management infrastructure of the state will be in place. Improved financial management and reforms. Gearing up to meet the challenges of the 21st century, cities of Gujarat have initiated numerous reforms to better manage their finances and be more financially self-sustainable. The financial self-sufficiency ratio is 86% in municipal corporations in 2006. The per capita income of municipal corporations shows an increase from Rs 1200 in 2001 to Rs 1600 in 2006. The average income of municipal corporations from property tax shows an impressive increase from Rs 407 million in 2001 to Rs 670 million in 2006. Reforms in tax assessment process, improvements in collection and billing have led to these positive trends. Property tax reforms of moving from an annual rateable value to an area-based system undertaken by the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation has shown the path to other cities in the country. Even smaller municipalities like Kodinar and Upaleta have undertaken property tax collection reforms. Municipalities show a peak in revenue collection in the year 2005 owing to the intensive tax collection drive. In tune with the urban reforms agenda, the state government has initiated the implementation of the computerized, accrual-based double-entry accounting system in all municipalities. Improved quality of life. Increased recreational space, availability of affordable and low-polluting public transportation, livelihood and housing opportunities for the underprivileged sections of the society have brought a smile on the face of the common man. Surat Municipal Corporation developed a public health disease surveillance system capturing daily data from public and private hospitals and clinics. This daily monitoring of all critical activities and complaints redressal system have resulted in saving of recurrent costs in breakdown maintenance and improved customer satisfaction. The e-governance initiative of the former Vejilpur municipality received the National E-Governance Silver Icon Award for professional excellence in process re-engineering. The establishment of 17 civic centers by the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation has brought the local government to the citizens' doorstep. With payment of dues made simpler, e-governance has resulted in higher revenues and enhanced cash flows for the AMC. The Slum Networking Project is a unique partnership between the city government, NGOs and the private sector. This project emphasizes physical as well as social upgradation of slums to mainstream the slum dwellers into the city's fabric. Municipalities have also been undertaking urban greening in a big way. The Urban 2005 year marked the formation of many Smruti and Nakshatra Vans. Cities of Gujarat are perceived to be safer than other cities of India. Vadodara's efficient street lighting has contributed to making the city well lit and hence safer. Cities of Gujarat, which have a rich heritage and culture, have also made significant efforts to conserve and instill a feeling of pride among its citizens. The Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, since 1995, has an integrated heritage management plan to conserve its rich architecture and culture. National and international donors have supported this initiative. This approach has been replicated in other cities of the state. Businesses of all sorts look for availability of a conducive environment, reliable services in terms of power supply, road connectivity, water supply and other basic amenities, ease of title registration processes, a transparent and responsive administration. We have it all. And supporting all these initiatives are a gamut of lean, mission-driven institutions driving the urban reforms agenda of the state.